Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you please find the little receipt from the back and you're good to go, okay?
All right.
Thank you.